Nothing is black or white. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. I have never cared very much for personal prizes. A person does not become a freedom fighter in the hope of winning awards. We must use time creatively, and forever realize that the time is always ripe to do right.
The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Real leaders must be ready to sacrifice all for the freedom of their people.
A fundamental concern for others in our individual and community lives would go a long way in making the world the better place we so passionately dreamed of. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. I like friends who have independent minds because they tend to make you see problems from all angles. Many people in this country have paid the price before me and many will pay the price after me. It is in the character of growth that we should learn from both pleasant and unpleasant experiences. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Do not judge me by my successes, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Lead from the back, and let others believe they are in front. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others. Overcoming poverty is not a task of charity, it is an act of justice. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. It is in your hands, to make a better world for all who live in it. As I have said, the first thing is to be honest with yourself. You can never have an impact on society if you have not changed yourself. There is a universal respect and even admiration for those who are humble and simple by nature, and who have absolute confidence in all human beings irrespective of their social status. I hate race discrimination most intensely and in all its manifestations. I have fought it all during my life, I fight it now and will do so until the end of my days.